Hi, today I'm with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So just to do that, to activate the flashlight, to use it on our iPhone 14 Pro Max, we should first just here on the lock screen, we should find on the left down corner the flashlight, the torch icon, and just hold it a little bit with our finger for a couple of seconds. Now we can see that the flashlight is activated successfully. Just to turn it off, we should quickly hold the icon once again. If you want to change the brightness level of the flashlight, we should just first open Control Center. So that's one more way how we can use the flashlight, just by opening Control Center and find here torch icon, and just to change the level brightness we should hold it, and after that we can make it, we can decrease or increase it by this way. So let's check it here. As we can see, now we just turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.